Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Arduino Software IDE on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your browser. Then in your browser on Google, type Arduino IDE and hit enter. After that, you'll find this link, arduino.cc software. Just click on this. Then just wait for the website to load. Now, after the website loads, you can see in here under download options, Windows 10 and newer, just click on Windows. Then your download should start. Just wait for the download to be completed. And after the download has been completed, just click on Open File. You can minimize your browser. Then in here, just click on I agree to their agreement. Now, select the user you want to install it for and click on Next. After that, select the location where you want to install it. And after that, just click on Install. Then just wait for the installation to be completed. And after the installation process has been completed, just tick this, Run Arduino IDE, and click on Finish. Then just give it some time. And there you go. Arduino IDE has opened. Just wait, it is still loading. If any pop-up comes on your screen, just click on Allow. This is basically your IDE. Now this IDE is pretty much useless without the Arduino actual hardware. So connect your hardware to this. And after that, if you go to Device Manager and you go to USB controllers, you'll see your Arduino device listed here. Mine isn't connected because I don't have one. If you have yours, just connect it. And then you can type your script here and upload it to your device. And this button is for verifying. This button is for uploading. This is for debugging. And if you have multiple boards, you can select it from here as well. And you can go to Sketch and include libraries from here as well. And that's basically it. And that is how to install Arduino Software IDE on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.